So there's a comet in the sky and we could see it with our naked eyes. The last time something like this happened was over 20 years ago, and that comet was Hale-Bopp, and that's what that one looked like. So what are comets and how can we see this one? Comets are icy bodies coming from the furthest reaches in outer space. What makes them different from planets is that their orbits are highly elliptical. And right now, one has just swung around the sun and it's heading on its way back out. This path will take it 6,800 years to do. So it's truly once in a lifetime experience for us. So a comet is sometimes known as a dirty snowball, or as some scientists like to say, a snowy dirt ball. And that's because it's made up of ice, dust, small rocky particles and gases. And as this comet gets close to the sun, the heat of the sun evaporates some of these frozen gases, and even the solar wind pushes on the dust particles, and you get those beautiful long streaming tails that comets are famous for. So how can we see this comet? Where to look for it at Trinidad and Tobago? So you would want to recognize one famous object known as the Big Dipper in the sky. It's a grouping of stars, and you're going to look in the northwestern sky around 7 p.m. and thereabouts, because it could be a little low on the horizon at first. But as the month goes on, by July 23rd, July 22nd, when it's at its closest position to planet Earth, it's going to get higher and higher up from the horizon. So look for this grouping of stars in the sky, and look anywhere around this neighborhood from about 7 p.m. and you should be able to see it. Now, how you will know that you're looking at the comet and not just another star is because stars look point-like with your naked eyes, or even with a pair of binoculars. And definitely for viewing this object, binoculars is highly recommended. But the comet will look a little fuzzy in its appearance. So that's how you know you'll be having a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And how's this for a fun fact? If you do find a new comet that has never been reported before, and as it's always been done in astronomy, guess what? It will be named after you.